Hello, different users. Now, the case you are going to check is one new Western Digital hard drive. It has one external USB enclosure, and inside is one SATA hard drive. I just checked this hard drive. The PCB number is 1983, so it's a very new hard drive. Now let's try to connect this drive directly to the PC, and let's check what we can find from the computer management, the disk management. It's one 1 TB hard drive, laptop hard drive. So we can see here, we tried to initialize the hard drive but failed. Can do nothing on this drive, and we cannot recover the data as well. So at this time, I need to remove the SATA drive from the USB enclosure and connect this SATA drive to the DFL SRP hardware. Please wait. Now I'm connecting this damaged hard drive to the DFL SRP, the SATA 0. Let's try to use the WD firmware repair program to diagnose the drive to see if the drive has firmware issue or not. Power on the hard drive. Now the drive gets ready. Let's try to scan the hard drive and see if there are bad sectors or not, if the hard drive ID can be detected or not. Okay, so from the scanning we can see the module SN and capacity are correctly detected. Now let's start scanning. The problem comes. When I try to scan the hard drive, only several sectors are accessible, and all other sectors in the data arrow are not accessible, and all red sectors. This means all these red sectors are blocked. So they need to enter the firmware repair program and find out if the firmware modules are damaged or if there are some head issue. We need to stop the scanning and then continue the diagnosis. Now they enter the Western Digital firmware repair program. Auto get details. You can see this is one very new hard drive. The family is Arrow HD. Click OK. Now we have entered the software repair main interface. So this is module list. Now let's try to test the firmware modules and see if the firmware modules are good or not. So the program is testing the modules. Anyway, this kind of testing is just the read testing. It tests just the header of the module, but it cannot judge whether the content of the module is good or bad. It diagnoses the module general basic structures. So from this module testing, we can find that all the major modules are good in basic structures. However, we need to double-click the firmware module to check the content inside. Because sometimes when you check with the program, the firmware modules are displayed as good modules. But after you open the modules and check the contents, you'll find some problem with it. Maybe some contents are empty, some contents are encrypted, some contents are in wrong bytes. So we need to open key data recovery firmware modules. So this is module 3. Okay, so module 3, it seems okay. And module 31, now we can see the problem. Because module 31 is a translator, it's one of the key data recovery firmware modules. Now we have opened the module 33, we find module 33 is empty except the header. The header is okay, that means the general basic structure is okay, but the content is empty. That means the translator doesn't work. And when users scan the hard drive, the data arrow cannot be accessed. This is the main issue due to the corruption in this module 33. Let's check module 32. Okay, module 32, it's not important. It has the general structure. The header is okay, so we can forget about this one. It's not important, but we must make sure the 32 has the header. Now the problem is caused. We have found that the problem is caused by module 31, sorry. Module 31, the translator module. Actually, there is another very important data recovery firmware module. That's the module 14, the adaptive modules. Let's double click to check if there is issue with the adaptive firmware module. Now we have opened it. So the content seems okay, the structure okay, the header, the module ID, module 40. So no problem. So for all the key data recovery firmware modules, the problem is on the module 31. So when the module 31 is damaged, how to fix it? Within the DFL WD firmware repair tool, there is one menu. It's called translator. We have translator regeneration. Translator regeneration means to regenerate module 31 and module 32. Module 31 is the plist translator, and module 32 is the genist translator. So after this translator regeneration, both the modules 31 and 32 will be generated successfully. Now let's try. Starting monitoring execution process. Okay, so execution success. Now we can create the program, power off, power on the drive. Okay, get ready, enter the software. Now let's check again the module 31 and see if the module 31 has been recovered or not. So you can see the module 31, the contents are back. It's not empty anymore. So this means that the translator regeneration under the menu defects, the translator regeneration, this function works. Very easy. All users need to do is to simply click it once, and then users can find the results from the log window. Execution success. After that, users power off and power on and check the damaged module again. You can see that the damaged module has been fixed. Now let's try to scan the data error and see. Correct? All the data error can be accessed. That means users can easily recover all the lost data. So this is one 100% data recovery case. Thank you for watching this video.